check this out. Laser Boy Hollow. Thank you for sending me this. Took some of my enamel pins that I have based on my logo. Let's take a look. So cool. It's in there. How did he do that? The heck? Beautiful. Looks like it's gold. This is pretty much magic to me. On the other side, it's like the same thing but flipped. Oh wait, this is the what? Oh yeah, this way is backwards, of course. Oh man. So for comparison, here's the enamel pin. You know, so I guess it takes the light reflection or something and it burns it into the glass. I don't even know. But check out this footage of him working on it. So I'm definitely going to be auctioning these off, probably coupling them with several of these pins. I'm not going to sell these individually, because some of them are stronger than others in terms of their strength of hologramness, if that's what you call it. Anyway, check out his Patreon. Really great guy, doing a lot of amazing art. And it'd be great to support him. Also, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified when I put these up for sale. Yeah. Cool. Thanks for watching.